Children, let's listen to the story. Mike is a boy. He is 3 years old. Today is Mike's birthday. He has got many presents from his family and friends, including a ball, a toy car, and a toy cat. When the birthday party is over, Mike is looking for his toy cat. Oh! He finds the pet cat asleep in its basket with the toy cat. See. 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 Here, cat. Look at the word cat. Say cat. Cat. Children, let's say the letter C and the word cat. C. Cat. C. Cat. Children, let's learn one more word that begins with the letter C. Car. Say car. Car.